It's day 18 of Advent and it's raining out right now, but behind door number 18 is another really cool one. It's this little, like, Lego semi-truck. I'm assuming it's Lego because it's, like, colored like the Lego logo, but it's like a little tiny semi-truck. And I just noticed that my fiance Delana put this together and she put it together wrong, actually, because it's supposed to go like this. There's me being a nerd and putting it on the right way. I'll let her know she put it on the wrong way. There was also another... Oh, well... She made another thing out of the extra pieces, but I think it fell. I think it fell down the calendar. So it might be in... Oh, look, I found it. It was in day 6. She used the extra pieces to make a little tiny car. Very funny. But the video you're about to see is when we were on our trip. We went to an Airbnb, and in the spirit of it being rainy today, it was rainy at the Airbnb, and I recorded a little thing, which is a video of me going outside. And then for a couple of minutes, I put some nice Christmassy music, and it's just some ambience, just looking out the window at the rain. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Turn the light on. Turn the light on. How do you turn these lights on? Oh. Okay, turn the light on. I don't know if you can see out here, but I believe that it is raining. And so I'm gonna gear up and go outside at the Airbnb and see what the rain's like. I hear cars. Okay. Well, the railing is really cold and wet. Cars up and down the street. If I zoom in, you can see it's doing some raining. Let me actually, like, get away from here because it's scary. Terrified. It's extremely cold. I can see my breath. It's freezing. If it was any colder, this would probably be snow, which tomorrow it is supposed to be snow. So I might need to record a video of the snow. But for now, I'm on vacation, and it's raining.